Hello and welcome to a new how to do it video from me, your host Preffs, and today we are going to apply some Glaco windshield water repellent chemical on the windshield of my Audi. So first of all you gotta clean the window, so let's do that. So to clean the window I'm using the Glaco windshield cleaner, and it is a little bit coat for the windows as well, but this purpose now get it as clean as you can, and I always clean with a microfiber towel as well. Step 1. Now over to step 2. That's applying the chemical. So before you begin, try to shake it a little bit, just to be sure. And then, well, remove the lid, and I usually, let's see if I can see something. So for that, I usually make some circles. Press out a little chemical, not always, but just a little bit sometimes. So, and now you just wait 20 minutes, 30 minutes or something, and let the chemical do the work for you. So when everything is white on the window, it's time to wipe it off. And if you don't know, just let it be for 30 minutes and you are so fine. I promise you that. And for me it's super easy. It's a little bit sticky, but for me it's super easy to wipe it off. That's how you apply the Glaco windshield coat, water repellent. Yeah, so if you like the video, press thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and well, make sure to tune in at next Sunday. See you at Sunday.